Can you see the lace? I can't see the lace. Can you see the lace? If you say you see the lace, you lying.
Alright.
Today, Luvme Hair sent me a raw, kinky, curly wig. Now, let me tell you guys, before I get into this video, the wig was HD. The wig was kinky curly. So, when we posted our dance TikToks, everybody thought this was her real hair. Everybody was like, where's the wig? Where's the wig? Where's the wig? So, let's just start with how Luvme Hair HD kinky curly wigs are giving pure scalp. Like, people did not think this was a wig. So if you know you want to give off real hair vibes, try this wig out. See what Luvme Hair got to offer, because I loved this wig. This was one of Gabby's favorite wigs as well, because even though I didn't curl it in this video, when she went home and wetted it, the curls were so realistic. It wasn't like just a regular spiral curl. It was a real curl pattern. So I definitely recommend this hair if you want your wig to look like your real curl pattern, period. And it's no shade. And then y'all already see the lace is just giving scalp. So I don't really need to say too much about this wig. Y'all can kind of already tell I loved it. And it is what it is, period. In this video, I'll be using my Bold Hold Lemon Burst. And this is one of my new favorite glues. It's by Alonzo Arnold and it's with Bold Hold family. And this glue is just everything. It smells good. It has the antibacterial that fights your sweat inside the formula of the glue. So this glue is very much for my girls with the sensitive skin, my girls who sweat a lot. This glue just is everything. I didn't use tape this install because we weren't going to leave it in that long. Remember, we only use the tape when we want our installs to last long term. If you only wearing your wig a couple days, don't use that tape, because I promise it ain't coming off easy. It just isn't. We love that tape, but today we only did about 2 to 3 layers of this adhesive, just so that way we can just get a temporary strong hold. No shade. Once I have those layers applied on her skin evenly, I go in and I melt this scalp. I can't even say it's a lace because you can't even see it. Can you see the lace? I can't see the lace. Can you see the lace? If you say you see the lace, you lying, because this is not your regular transparent, your regular brown lace. This is a HD scalp, okay? So now I'm just pressing that lace into the glue. Y'all have to press y'all lace into the glue so that it can really set and lock in. I'm using my blow dryer on cold air. I'm not using heat because heat loosens your glue. I'm using cold air to really dry that lace in before I tie it down. And once I tie it down for about 20 minutes, I go in with my eyebrow razor and my scissors. I go back and forth and I'm just cutting that lace off real quick. So for the styling, I decided to do a flip over method because I just wanted to really give a natural look. Like everybody believed, I wanted it to give real hair vibes. So I definitely didn't want to do a defined middle part or side part. I just wanted it to be, you know, whatever it wanted to be in that moment. You can flip it over, you can put it in a ponytail. That's the vibe I was going for with this wig. And so that calls for a lot of plucking. This wig was pre-plucked now, but y'all know I like to really customize and really give what needs to be given. Gabby loves the overly plucked look. Not overly plucked in a bad way, but overly plucked in a, you know, a natural, realistic way. Most hairlines don't have all that hair that comes on the frontal. Real hairlines are thin in the front. So we just decided to really like press the limits with the plucking to see what we can give. And I honestly felt like I could have plucked even more, but I'm still gradually leaning towards, you know, that dramatic pluck look. So yeah, be careful with that type of stuff. You don't want to over pluck, especially if you're a beginner. Less is more. But once you get, you know, a little bit more seasoned, you can like test the waters and see how far you can go with them tweezers. Guys already know that I recommend you cut your baby hairs with the eyebrow razor because it's more natural and less blunt than when you do it with the scissors. And y'all already know I like to use my baby flat iron to give what needs to be given. It just helps you really mold your baby hairs into the direction you want it to go. Bold Hold Lace Jelly is always my go-to product when I'm doing baby hairs. It's lightweight, it's not cakey, it's not greasy, it's just what it needs to be for baby hairs. So I love to use my Bold Hold Lace Jelly when I'm laying these baby hairs. Y'all know I love to go in with my freeze spray for extra security, and I use my paper barber strips to tie lace down. And I always recommend to my clients, buy a box of them paper strips because that's better to use on your hairline when you're tying your hair down than to go directly in with a scarf or something that's made out of cotton. That lint gets into your glue. So you always want to put the paper on first and then tie it down with whatever you usually tie it down with, because you want to protect your lace, you want to get that maximum hold, and you don't want any residue or lint from what you use to get into your lace. So that's why we use the paper first always, no shade. So many people thought that we just did a blowout on her real hair. I didn't even blow the hair out, y'all. All I did was comb it out with a powder brush, and I think I used a wide tooth comb as well. But we did not use a blow dryer to get the hair this big. It's naturally this big. So I love this wig. I should have wet it for you guys just so y'all can see how it looks wet too. But I was so obsessed with this big hair, I didn't want to see what the wet had to offer. And it was just everything, y'all. Everything. I'm using my cold air and my hot comb because I just have to get that natural lift. And that's pretty much it for this install. Like, it was a very simple, quick slay. We didn't have to do too much to get this look. And try out the wig. Let me know how you guys like it in the comments. No shade. And there you have it. This is the final product, the final bust down, the final everything. This looks so natural. I cannot make this stuff up, y'all. I love this wig. This is one of my favorite wigs that have been sent to me. Like, just no shade, like not even capping. Look at this hair, y'all. It's everything. I really want y'all to let me know in the comments how y'all like this hair. I will be leaving all the information for this wig in the description box below. Stay tuned for the very end of this video. I have more behind the scenes footage for you guys on how we got the TikTok for this look done. Everybody, I've been getting so many positive reviews about the behind the scenes footage, and I really love that. So we're definitely going to keep that coming for you guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and it's no shade, period. So basically, on one, start from here so it can feel natural. And you were up more. Yeah. Okay. Where's it? So where? One, go to 4.
I didn't do my face right. I was no. That's what I got from you. That's what I got right.
Pop, so pop up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's like pop.
Cause I be getting confused looking at this.
I was trying to look cute, but I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Right, you can see the whole thing.
So down.
Wait. I killed that. You, yeah. No, cuz. Bitch. I was fucking. Listen to heels down. The bitch, I go down right when the song starts. Let me get my own zone, bitch. Cause you be fucking me out. Okay. A little lipsy showing a little bit. Yeah, right there. Now I'm fucking up. I don't have it no more. I'm getting it wrong. But notice the beat now.
You start down, you just pop up. Pop and 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Okay.
Hop, 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 hop.
Fuck. It's always when we think it's gonna be the one and it really ain't. Stack your beans. The fuck.
Bitch, you was like your beans.
You had it first and then I just got it and then
I didn't know how I had it, so I was just fucking help me. Come on. Alright. You see it? You was too still before you pop. Be in emotion before you pop.
okay. That's what helped me.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Oh, I was late. You was right.
I don't know.
I'm watching. Sorry, y'all.